What's going on, everybody? It's Cannonz. I want to tell y'all about the 5 most important shortcuts in Adobe Premiere. The 5 most important shortcuts you need to know when you jump into editing in Adobe Premiere. So the first one we're going to start with, I want to go and get this one out the way first because it is, in my opinion, the most important. Command+S, that's what it is, all right? So Command+S is the most important one, which is just a quick shortcut key to save the project. The autosave feature is a really nice feature that Adobe Premiere has as well. Every 15 minutes, it'll save, and that's a really beautiful feature. The downfall with that is, like I say, it's every 15 minutes. So what if you've done some massive change to your edit in that 15-minute span and it crashes? So you definitely want to get into the habit of pressing Command+S. Command+S. So we're gonna go to the next shortcut key that I feel like is very important as well, and that is the V key, the letter V. If you press that key on your keyboard, it's gonna highlight the selection tool. The selection tool is pretty much, it just makes it easier for you to move around. Whenever you need to move your clip around, you're gonna need the selection tool highlighted. So, to save time going up here, and then, you can just press the V key. That's gonna enable the selection key, and you'll be able to move around your clip. The next shortcut key that I feel like is, very important is going to be C. Pressing C will select the razor tool. Now that tool right there is the tool you're gonna need for slicing your clip. So instead of going up here, or just kind of dragging these clips around, you could just press C and it's gonna highlight that razor tool. Let's say I want to go in and clip these two scenes apart. Let's go ahead and separate these. So with your razor tool already highlighted, I'm just gonna click on both of those clips, and now I'm pressing V again. Once I press V, the selection tool is highlighted, so now I can drag down and slide them out the way, or slide them apart. So I just get that clip, then I have that clip. So just using V and C are going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to just make the workflow a lot smoother for you because it's literally just pressing a button, All right, so the next very important step, the next important short key, in my opinion, is going to be R. R is the rate stretch tool. So when you press R, this icon pops up on the screen. Well, with this tool, it allows you to stretch out your clip. So if you're shooting, high frames, 120 frames or 60 frames, this tool will come in handy because you can drag your clip out and have it, play super slow. This particular clip is exported in 24 frames, so it's gonna be a little choppy. But that's what that tool is. It comes in handy for. Just like you can stretch it out, you can bring it into and make it, play super fast. So that's a very helpful shortcut for me. I really use these 3 right here, C, V, R. Those are my most used. So we just went over Command+S for saving, V for the selection tool, C for the razor tool, R for the rate stretch tool. So this is the 5th shortcut key. I feel like this is one of those shortcut keys that I actually came across a little bit later in the journey of, with me, my experience with using Adobe Premiere. But it is very helpful. It really is super helpful for me. So I'm going to show you this too. So just S alone. So we just went over, we said Command+S is to save. So S alone, you notice when I pressed it, this magnet key right here turned white. So this is the snap-in timeline. While that's blue, it's not gonna move as freely as you would like it to. It's very helpful when it comes to dragging a clip to another clip, and it snaps. It just snaps right onto it like it's a block, The times when I press S and I turn that snap tool off, is when I would need to pretty much it just frees your clip so you can really move it wherever you want to, you know. You notice how like right there by the line, it freely just moves where it wants. Now with the snap tool on, it's gonna snap to any type of, you know, clip around there, you know. So those are the 5 most important shortcut keys in Adobe Premiere. There are a bunch of other shortcut keys. I just wanted to narrow down to 5 that you will probably use most of your time while you're editing. If there's any other shortcut keys that you feel like I might have missed or I should highlight for the next video, I'm definitely reading the comments. Just leave it in the comments and let me know, and I'll definitely make sure to cover that for the next one. I have a few more ideas for some episodes to give to you guys. Enjoy editing. Send me some links to y'all work. Let me check it out. Let's stay in touch, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me.